In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Which month of the Islamic calendar is Ramadan? None. What is the pre-dawn meal called? Suhoor. What is the meal at sunset called? Iftar. How many pillars of Islam are there? Five. Which holy book was revealed in Ramadan? Quran. Which night is better than 1,000 months? Laylatul Qadr. What did Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, break his fast with? Dates. What charity is given at the end of Ramadan? Zakatul Fitr. What is the special prayer of Ramadan called? Tarawih. Which angel brought the first revelation? Jibril. Which battle was fought in Ramadan? Badr. What marks the end of Ramadan? Eidul Fitr. What time does fasting begin each day? Fajr. What time does fasting end each day? Maghrib. How many days is Ramadan? $29 to $30. What is the Arabic word for fasting? Psalm. Which country fasts the longest hours? Norway. Which country fasts the shortest hours? Argentina. How many extra rakats are in Tarawih? $20. Which city was the first revelation of the Quran sent in Ramadan? Makkah. Which prophet fasted for 40 days as mentioned in the Quran? Musa. Which surah mentions the obligation of fasting? Al-Baqarah. Which fasting is the best after Ramadan, according to Hadith? Shawwal, 6 days. What happens to Shaitan during Ramadan? Is locked up. What is the purpose of fasting in Ramadan? Gain taqwa. Thank you for watching this video. Before you leave, let's recite the Shahada together. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of worship except Allah, alone, without any partners. And I bear witness that Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his servant and messenger. If you enjoyed our video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments on how we can improve.